Hello all, welcome to my channel. Let us go to the lesson 2, that is synthetic fibers. Okay, what are the synthetic fibers? Synthetic fibers are the fibers which are made in factories using chemicals. So I repeat again, synthetic fibers are the fibers so they are the fibers which are made in factories using chemicals. Example, rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic. You might have used this, but you might not be knowing that these are the fabrics you are using. Okay. All synthetic fibers are made using different raw materials. So synthetic fibers are made using the raw materials. This gives synthetic fibers their unique properties and wide range of uses. Okay. So what are these raw materials, guys? Raw materials are the substances that are available naturally, like wood, ores, etc., which are all produced by the farmers. Understood? So, synthetic fibers are made from different raw materials. So, these raw materials are the substances that are available naturally, like wood, ores, etc., are produced by the farmers. So, this gives synthetic fibers unique properties, means special properties or extraordinary properties, understood, or unusual properties and wide range of. So let us study about one by one, that is synthetic fibers. The first fiber, synthetic fiber, which we are going to study now is rayon. So what is this rayon? Rayon is a fabric or a fiber. It is made from naturally occurring cellulose. So you will get the cellulose naturally and then it is treated by using the chemicals in the factories. So like this, this is how you prepare rayon. The chemical structure is similar to that of the cotton. This rayon. It is also called regenerated fiber because it is made from natural sources like wood pulp. Okay, paper is originated from the wood pulp itself. I'll show you the figure here. Now, what is cellulose? So, cellulose is a main substance which is found in the plant cell walls and helps the plant to remain stiff and strong. It is also present in the stem of the plant, okay, leafy vegetables, etc., etc., etc. I repeat again, what is the cellulose? Naturally occurring cellulose means this is the main substance which is present in the plant cells which helps the plant to remain stiff and strong. It is also present in the stem of the plants, leafy vegetables, etc. What is this wood pulp? It is the wood that has been cut into small pieces and crushed. It is used to make paper. Okay. Regenerated fiber. This rayon is called a regenerated fiber because it is manufactured from the natural resources like cellulose which is present in the wood pulp. Okay. Let us see the properties of rayon. It absorbs water. It is soft and comfortable to wear. It wrinkles easily, forms wrinkles. Wrinkles easily means it forms wrinkles easily. Not very strong. Okay, I repeat the properties again. It absorbs water. It is soft and comfortable. It forms wrinkles. It is not very strong. Uses. It is used to make cloths, ribbons, sportswear, bandages and carpets. Now see the pictures below. Next, let us pass on to one more synthetic fiber, that is acrylic. So this is the synthetic fiber. It looks like wool and is made using chemicals. Okay. So as you all know, synthetic fibers are made from the chemicals in the factories. Okay. It looks like wool and is made using chemicals from the factories. Properties of acrylic. What are the properties? It can be dyed in many colors. Okay. It is lightweight. It is soft and warm. It keeps the body warm after wearing that material. Okay. It is resistant to moths. It dries very quickly and it does not shrink. These are the properties of acrylic. I repeat again, it can be dyed in many colors. It is very lightweight. It is soft and warm. It is resistant to moths, insects, dries quickly and it does not shrink. Okay. So, uses to make sweaters. Okay. Because it is very soft and warm of its property. Lightweight, shawls. Okay. Blankets, tracksuits. It is used to make sweaters, shawls, blankets and tracksuits, etc. So you can see the figures below. Let us move on to one more synthetic fiber. It is polyester. So this is your most familiar about this cloth, polyester cloth. You have seen and you have used it, isn't it? Okay. It is used to make fabric as well as plastic, it seems. Polyester is also used to make cloth, that is fabric, as well as plastic. Polyester consists of repeating units of chemicals called ester. Okay, polyester. The name itself says poly plus ester. Poly means many. Understood? Poly means many. Many small units, monomers. Understood? Many small units makes polyester. Okay, consisting of repeating units of chemicals called ester in that. Understood? So I repeat again. Polyester, the name itself says it contains the chemical that is ester. So it consists of repeating units of chemicals called ester. It is used to make fabric as well as plastic. What are the properties? Polyester fabric, it is very easy to clean. So it is wrinkle free. It does not form wrinkles. It has a shiny appearance. Okay. It looks very shiny and it does not shrink. Okay. It does not shrink. And what are the uses of this polyester? It is used to make curtains, jackets and trousers. I repeat again. It is used to make curtains, jackets and trousers. Here is the figure. We are going to study about one interesting topic, that is blended fabrics. So, what are these blended fabrics? It is nothing but they are made by combining two or more fibers. What are those two or more fibers? See, polyester is one fiber and wool is one fiber. One is natural and one is synthetic, isn't it? Together forms polywool there. Can you see the example below? They are made. Why they have combined there? Because to reduce or to overcome the disadvantages of natural and synthetic fibers. See, for example, you have lot of disadvantages of this natural and synthetic fibers. You have advantages as well as disadvantages. To overcome the disadvantages of this fibers, they are blending the fabrics. Blending means combining, okay. They are made by combining two or more fibers, that is one is synthetic and one is natural, to reduce the disadvantages of natural and synthetic fibers. Look, polywool, that is polyester plus wool. Polyester is a synthetic fiber plus wool is a natural fiber. They together combine to give polywool. Similarly, terepthalate plus cotton. Cotton is a natural fiber and terepthalate is a synthetic fiber. It gives terracotta. Similarly, terepthalate plus wool, terry-wool. Terepthalate plus silk, terry-silk. I will show you the pictures now. Point should be noted. Look, clothes made from synthetic fibers are very uncomfortable in summer or rainy season. Okay. So, how to overcome this drawback? It is nothing but by blending them with natural fibers, as I have shown you in the figures, such as cotton and wool. I repeat this point you should keep it in mind, guys. Clothes made from synthetic fibers are very uncomfortable in summer or rainy. This drawback is partly overcome by blending them with natural fibers such as cotton and wool. I'll show you one more example now. The example, polyester plus cotton gives rise to polycotton. Blended fiber, isn't it? So, polyester, what are the properties of that polyester? It is strong, it does not wrinkle, it is non-porous, uncomfortable to wear. Whereas cotton, it is porous, light, soft, wrinkles and shrink. Porous means small holes. So, liquid or air can pass through, especially slowly, can pass through that fabric. Okay, that is porous. So, polyester means non-porous, no holes at all. Okay. So, cotton means you have small holes, light, soft, wrinkles and shrinks. Blended fiber gives rise to polycotton. What are the characteristics or properties of that? It is comfortable to wear, it does not shrink, it does not wrinkle and easy to maintain. This is the example of blended fiber. I hope you understand. Let us study about one more fiber, that is nylon. This is also a synthetic fiber which is made from coal and petroleum. I think people know about coal and petroleum. Okay. Nylon is made from coal and petroleum from the factories. These are the chemicals used in preparing or in manufacturing nylon. Okay. Properties. What are the properties of nylon? It is a lightweight material. It is very strong. It is long lasting. It is highly elastic and it absorbs very less water. Okay, while preparing. Okay, properties. Highly elastic. What is the meaning of elastic then? It can regain its original shape and size after being stretched out. Okay, highly elastic means it can regain its original shape and size after being stretched out. So, uses. These are the uses of nylon. Making bristles of toothbrushes. Okay. Women's stockings, ropes, parachutes, strings of badminton and tennis rackets. So these are the uses of nylon. And I will show you the figures now. Last but not the least, you are going to study in this chapter is polyethylene terephthalate. PET. They might ask you in the question, what is PET in the exams? Okay. You have to write polyethylene terephthalate. PH is silent over there. Okay. Okay. What are the properties of that? It is recyclable. That's it. It is recyclable and uses making a water bottles and variety of kitchen. It can be recycled. Okay, that material or fabric, whatever it is, polyethylene terephthalate can be recycled. Okay, and the other product can be formed. Understood? Uses. It is used in making the water bottles and variety of kitchen utensils. Here are the figures.